set, go. Take my horse, put the tongue from the till I can't know. My Betsy better than you. Here they come, y'all. Here they come. They finna pass me. The Marcus and the Mondre. Oh no, I shouldn't have eat that. Okay, go.
So, y'all want to play that class?
One more time. Only one more time. Ready, set, go. Go to Mondre, go! It's a car, hold on. Yo, no, that's a Darren now. Look at the Marcus. Okay, go. Come on.
Yeah, y'all see my champion inside? Look at all that, nigga.
And watch when they get dirty. He got his on too. Look. And now. Ready?
Wait.
Wait, I'm supposed to be in the middle. Bro, y'all could have went.
No, we can't play in the middle of the street.
Oh, that car get on my nerves.
Oh, they stopped.
Ready? DeMondre! Come on!
Get off your motorcycle.
Ready? Set, go! DeMondre!
No, you got my man. Look at my did my sister's stuff and dropped my purse. He ran over it.
Do I have a smaller rubber band?
Yeah, so I just put this back.
No, but I think we got some in the house. Get out the way, they're gonna run you over. My turn. My turn. Well, I'm gonna take my turn.
Hey, y'all, he think he winning because he passed me, but he actually not because we supposed to stop. We supposed to.
Come on, start mine.
Oh, it's your boy Money Man Kid Jr.
Start
I don't know why
mine.
she started my video. She don't know how to start it.
No, because your phone was lagging.
She fixed it. You fixed it.
Ready?
He ran over my phone in this. You shouldn't have said it on the phone. It fell out on my hoodie pad. Because it's not zipped up. You probably didn't even put it in there. You probably unzipped it, not paying attention. Probably unzipped it and then put it right here. Right
It's a car!
It's a car coming, y'all. Look. She dusted him. She dusted him. See, he keep passing that red truck. I'm going to tell my mama. You got to go 3 more times and then it's my turn. You heard me.
2 more times.
No. All right. 2 more times. All right, go. She said she don't wait in line. Put your feet up, ugly. She said, I don't wait in line. What?
A dog poop right there. I took a
Where?
pee right there. Where you standing at?
No, it didn't.
She dusted
She
him.
dusted him.
She dusted him.
She dusted the mess out of you. She dusted you. Pass that truck 1 more time and I'm telling my mama. I tried to give him 3 more rides. He said 2. You stupid.
You do not know how to. Ooh, I kept on skiing.
I'm going to tell my mama.
Ready? I don't wait in line.
He's scared to go all the way down there, y'all. That's why he said, go, no, she don't wait in line. She on waiting line. Hey.
She don't wait a lot. She gonna dust me in.
She said, I don't wait in line.
She gonna dust me in.
It's better to record with my phone than my camera.
Look.
Because I barely
She
can hear
dusted
her.
him.
She's still dusting them.
Get him on record. Get him on record so when he passed the red line. No, get him out.
Yeah.
Get him.
All right. Here you go. I mean, little boy. No. There you go. He not.
She might beat me because she got the back. Natalie, get on Natalie.
I got it. No! Oh, you made me jump. You did that. Oh, I'm telling. Joya, he made me jump your phone. Joya, he made me jump his phone. Joya, he made me jump your phone.
No, I didn't. Junior, he dropped the phone in the back. This is what I did. He hit me, then I did this. Oh,
And he dropped your phone.
Then she just you threw the phone, little ugly boy.
no, she did.
Here. Record.